really big things to know about PDI in terms of innovation is that it's not just about PDI and what we do. We make a point of partnering with all the key industry solution providers that are out there. You know, whether it's a DTN in the fuel supply chain or your POS providers. For example, from a point of sale provider, we want to make sure that if Radiant or Verifone add new mix and match functionality, that we are supplying them what they need to support that. In the fuel supply chain space, particularly around wholesale fuel, this is a key area where we need to help you drive efficiencies into the organization and drive costs out. So the biggest way that we can do that is help you to automate how you do business. We continue to partner with folks like DTN. In addition, we're continuing to extend the application to better support new contract methodologies, new enhanced formula definitions for how you're defining contract pricing and things like that. Also in the fuel supply chain, we really want to start making more use of electronic bills of lading and how those are now available. We've been using them for years when we're dealing with our retail customers and getting EBOL information to marry up to store deliveries, but we want to continue to extend that and make better use of that in the wholesale space by, as you dispatch loads, being able to marry up those electronic bills of lading against dispatch loads and update them with that information. When we start talking about the retail side of the C-store industry, we really want to start talking about, again, how to drive efficiencies in and drive costs out. Doing things like making the most of your possible rebate dollars, enhancing and extending computer-assisted ordering to make your inventories better. Those are all key focuses for us. Manufacturers and suppliers keep changing the rules about how they compute and calculate rebates, and we want to make sure that we can help you keep track of every dollar that you should be getting from those suppliers. One of the things that we've just recently completed is what we call our invoice exception management tool. What this allows you to do is define what margins you expect to get on items and make sure that things that don't match up with what you're expecting get kicked out as exceptions, and you can determine, are you getting priced by your supplier the way you should be? One of the coolest things we've done recently is taken all the information that you've captured inside your PDI solutions and made that available as analytics to your field's personnel. PDI Mobile Manager is going to let you have real-time access to how your store is doing or how your stores are doing. It's an iPad or tablet-based reporting tool that lets you quickly drill down to things that are relevant to you as a field supervisor or maybe as a district manager or even higher up in the organization. You can very quickly see their most recent financial statement and also those KPIs, your key performance indicators about how they're doing at that store. And then we can map that and show you how a store is doing relevant to all the other stores in the area that report to you. All of this innovation is possible thanks to the partnerships with our customers, our industry partners, and NACS and other industry associations. We want to thank them and especially our customers for making this happen, and we're excited about what's going to happen in the future.